Page 51, Jingle Bells. Very famous piece written around or played around Christmas time or sung or whatever. So let's look it over and see what we have. We're in G position, of course. 2 lines long. Treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. And the hands are playing at the same time throughout. We got tied notes too. Okay. Let's take it one hand at a time. Make sure we got all the notes and rhythms. And again, if you're still not struggling with the names of the notes and the music, do the play and say it drill. Just forget the rhythm and play and say the notes. B, 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 D, G, A, B. Just go through and play and say the notes throughout the whole thing. Go through this one hand at a time. Make sure you have the notes okay in the rhythm. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And the left hand, you have these 2 notes, the G and the D, together. Just lowering the hand down. And that's pretty much all it is. And at the end of the first line, those 2 notes are tied. See that curved line? So you're playing the first note and holding it down for both measures. So that last 8 counts. And the second line, the last 2 measures, you have it. They don't need these finger numbers. Don't read the finger numbers. Read the notes. And A, and D, and here. Okay. So we put the hands together. And I just want to know which fingers in the hands are working at the same time. It's here. And again here. Get the idea? Okay. Go to the second line. Let's go to the last 4 measures. So the second line, we're here. And then here. And then here. This. And then here. Here. And then here. Those. So you work it out. So you got the hands working together. Then go back through and get rid of the hesitations. And like everything else we've done so far in this book, you should be able to play this without looking at the keyboard. Once you got your hands in position and you're ready to go, you can keep your eyes on the music. You want to be able to feel what's going on the keyboard without having to look at it. After that, I can think about the articulation. They don't give us any. But you can put in the phrasing if you want. Just follow the word. Jingle bells, then jingle all the way. Lift up. I play the wrong notes because the idea, lift up, just a little lift up is all. And the left hand, connect it all as best you can. You can't connect any of it really, but they're not big lifts like the right hand would do here. Of course, you can, when you're lifting the right hand, if you're lifting the left hand, you can lift the left hand along with the right. You don't have to lift them different. Just lift them the same. That's fine. Dynamics, well, F is forte, that means loud. Whatever you think loud is. The whole piece, this is a happy piece, party piece. This is a holiday piece. Whatever you think loud is. I suggest if you can on these, see if you can play these a little softer. Can you play one hand louder than the other? Now this is tricky for a lot of people, including me when I first started. You got more weight on one hand than the other. You're feeling a little lopsided. So it's here and here at the same time. Can you do that? If it's a struggle, then try and exaggerate it. Play this really loud. Lots of weight. Let the wrist claps here. Lots of weight. And play this really soft. How soft can you play at the same time? Try that for a while to get the feeling of one hand louder than the other, and then you can tone it down. And just the reason is because if you play these the same, they will drown out this. And it just sounds terrible. It's the arrangement. So try and tone down that left hand and make it soft. Speed, merrily. Well, it's not a speed, it's a mood, but if, happy. Be happy. It's an order. Right. That's just one way of playing it. You don't have to play it that fast. You can go slower. You don't have to play it that loud. You can go softer. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Feel them. 1, 2, 3, 4 on these. The idea is get past the mechanics where you're playing the notes and the rhythms and the fingering and all that junk. Get past all that. Start getting into the music and feeling the music. Enjoying the music. That's interpretation. Let's play this together very slowly and check that you have all the notes and the rhythms. I'm going to play it all about the same as far as loudness goes. Hopefully you can hear it okay. I'll give us 4 counts, slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, off. There is a teacher's part for this, a duet part at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that, and you play what you just played. We're going to speed this up. Now you can play it right where it's at. I'm going to go about there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Make sure you can play it that fast with no hesitations or this won't work. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.